Looking for a reliable tool set that covers all your basic repair needs? The 65-piece tool set with a handy carrying case offers everything you need for small projects around the house or on the go. It's compact, versatile, and built to keep you prepared for those unexpected fixes. This set includes both 8-piece SAE and metric hex keys, commonly known as Allen wrenches, so you can tackle a variety of bolts and screws without hassle. The 13-ounce fiberglass hammer delivers strength without excess weight, while the 16-foot tape measure features an auto-locking mechanism for easy and precise measurements every time. For leveling and cutting tasks, you'll find a 9-inch torpedo level and a retractable utility knife with 8 snap-off blade sections. These tools make small jobs safer and more efficient, whether you're hanging a picture or opening packages. The tool set also includes 2 types of pliers: standard slip joint pliers with 2 locking positions and needle nose pliers with a 1-inch jaw. This combination lets you grip, twist, and hold objects securely, making tricky repairs simpler. When it comes to fastening, the chrome vanadium Phillips and flathead screwdrivers provide durable, reliable performance. Plus, a 5-inch 1/4-inch ratchet with 8 SAE sockets and a 30-piece bit set, featuring flat, Phillips, square, star, and hex bits, round out the kit for tackling a wide range of screws and bolts. One satisfied customer from the United States shared how this tool set made a great gift and stays in the car for quick fixes. While it's not designed for building a house, it's perfect for everyday tasks and small repairs around the home. The convenience and quality make it well worth the investment. If you want a compact, versatile toolkit that covers all the essentials, this 65-piece set is worth a look. It keeps your tools organized and ready, whether you're fixing a loose screw or measuring for a new shelf. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with practical, reliable gear.